Welcome everyone to Guess the Sound show tonight. I'm Jay and I'll be your host. This is a brand new show, so before introducing the contestants, let me briefly explain the format of the game for you. As the name of the show already suggests, all you have to do is to guess what sound that has just been played. You need to be the first person to press the buzzer to get the right to answer. For correct answer, you get 10 points and 0 for incorrect one. Along the way, there will be a few sounds which are more difficult to tell than the rest, but if you get it right, you get a bonus. That is, for the next turn, you will be able to ask what the background of the sound is in. Last but not least, whoever reaches 100 points first wins. Are we clear? Okay. Then let me introduce our contestant today. Furthest to my right is Joe. The handsome guy in the middle is Mo. And finally, Yo-Yo is the beautiful girl right next to me. Okay, contestant, are you ready? Let's play the first sound. Zing! Joe, what's your answer? Is it car honking? Is car honking your final answer? Yep. It is correct. 10 points for Joe. Next sound, please. Bah, 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 bah. Zing! Yo-Yo, what's your guess for this one?
I think it's a sound of a goat.
I cannot give you any points this time, Yo-Yo. Sorry, it's the sound of a lamb. Next sound is a bonus sound, so listen carefully. Zing! Mo, you so quick. What's your answer? I'm thinking it's the car. The seatbelt of the car. Are you sure? Is it your final answer, Mo? Yes, it is. Let's hear it again, shall we? It sounds a lot like car seatbelt, doesn't it? And it is car seatbelt. Congratulations, Mo. You've earned yourself a bonus and 10 points.